and I'm about to sew her hair, and I am braiding in a U shape, and I'm going back and forth. I'm not cutting the tracks, and I'm sewing under the braid but on the braid. And here I am showing you how to do a flip over method on the ends so none of her tracks are being shown, and how to make it flat. I just tried to zoom in on that part so you can get a better view of what I'm doing. Just continue to sew her hair in. Still not cutting the tracks, just taking one piece that she has after the other and finishing the braid. So now I'm in the kitchen and I'm whipping. No, I was kidding. I'm just flat ironing her hair, and I like to go with the pressing comb and make sure the tracks are flat. See? And then I'm going to press her natural hair that's going to go over to cover the tracks and proceed to the next step.
I don't know what you mean, Miss Elsa.
So I'm just pressing out the rest of her leave out. This will be the hair to cover the tracks. Some of it will be part of the heart braids. And I'm just still pressing her out right here. And then I'll go into sectioning. I had to improvise a little bit on the parting because the original picture was done on a lace front wig, and her hairline is not like that. So I had to improvise a little bit, and I'm going to be braiding with the Fine Hair Extensions Edge Control. It's the bomb. You guys gotta try it. I like to braid. A little goes a long way. Like, these jars literally last me for a long time, and I do a lot of people's hair. But I like to use it for grip. So I'm just braiding, sort of stitch braiding, but not really. Because, like I said, I'm kind of improvising. My concern was just making sure that the hearts are even and everything is neat and symmetric to her hair, her hairline, and her hair.
Some of the old songs.
Y'all, don't beat me up for this, because I thought I was in frame, but I had to do what I had to do to get the job done, and I was definitely in the way of the camera.
As time goes by.
But this view is a little bit better. But again, just doing the same thing, braiding it back, and then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. Repeat, wash and repeat on the other side. Just styling the baby hairs. And like I said, a little goes a long way. It's not going to turn white, and once it dries, it's going to stay. I just love it. Everybody loves it once they try it. Try it. You'll like it. But anyways, so now I'm using a Bio Ionic 1-inch curler. Gonna curl her up. She's doing loose waves. And voila. Now, this is where it gets tricky, y'all. I turned into a makeup artist after this. Stay tuned. I think I did good, y'all. What y'all think? Super cute, fun Valentine's Day idea. Super Bowl 56.